Ever been in that situation? You're trying to check out online, and you realize your physical card is in the other room, or maybe you're just not comfortable putting the details on an unfamiliar website. That's where the Monese virtual card comes in, but is it the same as the physical one? Let's talk about the key differences. Think of your physical Monese card as your day-to-day workhorse. It's what you use for in-person shopping, at the supermarket, at the coffee shop, and of course, for withdrawing cash from an ATM. It's a tangible piece of plastic with a unique card number, a CVV, and an expiry date, and it's what you link to your Apple Pay or Google Pay to tap and go. You can lock it, unlock it, and manage it all from your phone, which is super convenient if you misplace it. But at the end of the day, it's a physical object, and that comes with some risks. Now, meet the Monese virtual card. It's your digital bodyguard. A virtual card exists only within the Monese app. It has its own, separate card number and CVV, which is the crucial part. This means you can use it for online subscriptions, for those websites you don't fully trust, or for any kind of digital payment without ever exposing the details of your physical card. It adds a whole new layer of security. Since it's not a physical object, there's no risk of it being lost, stolen, or skimmed at a dodgy ATM. So, the big takeaway? The physical card is for physical payments, and the virtual card is for digital ones. While you can use your physical card online, using a virtual one is a smarter, safer way to shop. It's all about having the right tool for the job. You get the convenience of a physical card for your everyday life and the added security of a virtual one for everything online. It's a perfect combination for keeping your money safe and your mind at ease. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.